Hey everybody, it's time to talk Jeeps right here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Behind me is a special brand new 2022 Jeep Sahara Unlimited 4x4, and it has a Rocky Ridge aftermarket package on it with a whole lot of extras. You ready? Let's go ahead and go through it. Of course, we do have the Jeep styling on the front, and of course this big huge front bumper, 20-inch LED bar and skid plates, tow hooks, and of course it has a 3-inch body lift and all of the according suspension needs and skid plates for that and leveling kit. Also, we are rolling on 22-inch oversized off-road wheels and 33-inch off-road tires. Oh yeah, it's rocking that 3.6 liter V6 under the hood along with that 8-speed automatic transmission from the factory. But we have the Rocky Ridge metal step sides. Oh yeah. When they come inside, we do have this wonderful diamond stitched interior Rocky Ridge emblem stitched into the headrests. Also, we have our 8-inch screen for all of, there's a whole bunch of stuff that comes with this. Sirius XM radio subscription for 6 months. It has Sirius XM Travel Link, and also it has Sirius XM Guardian, that's for a year, but the Travel Link and also Traffic, that's for 5 years. Oh yeah, big time. Second row, second verse, same as the first. All that wonderful leather, diamond stitched, also rear USB, inverter, and air. Also remember this matching black top, guess what? Comes off, you can go topless with it. Back here, you'll notice the same size, oversized 22 and 33-inch tire, just like you see here. And guess what? Not only that, Rocky Ridge, they really beefed up the mount here and the hinge points. That way the added weight of this bigger tire does not stress out the rear cargo door and also the back glass area. Now look, you can go ahead and you've got plenty of room in here. Your roll cage, go topless. The same 3-year, 36,000 mile basic limited warranty from Jeep applies with their 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain limited warranty. But also, Rocky Ridge, for this conversion, they put a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on it as well. Because guess what? When you get those conversions done right here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, it does not void that factory warranty. So come on by and see this Jeep, this 2022 Jeep Sahara Wrangler Unlimited with a Rocky Ridge conversion on it. It is awesome. This is the Jeep that Darth Vader and Batman themselves wanted, okay? So come on by. Don't forget we have 5-star experience, over 35 financial lenders, and hassle-free approval. And also, we have a 72-hour exchange, price match guarantee, and on our pre-owned units, an available certified pre-owned warranty like any other Payne Auto Group dealership valley-wide. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have the Jeep that you definitely want. Lo que tú quieras, regardless.